Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing look number 8 in my 10 looks using one palette series, highlighting the Subculture palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm doing look number 8 using the Subculture palette. So I already have my brows on. I'm just going to prime my eyes with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And I'm setting that with a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me powder. My brows totally don't match today and it's very obnoxious. Okay, so now my eyes are primed and ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with New Wave, picking that up on this Morphe M504, and I'm gonna buff that in above the crease. I just hit pan on New Wave, and I have noticed for how much I haven't used this palette, because I haven't used it a ton, I've hit pan on 2 colors, and I think that is because of the fallout and the kick up. So I'm just really blending out that color. Look how intensely that went on. I have no idea where I'm going with this look. I'm going to take this Morphe E17, which is a small blending brush. I'm going to dip into Mercury. I'm going to work that into the crease. Like that, laying it down, and then I'm going to take that first brush and I'm going to blend out those edges. So it took me quite a while to buff out that color to make it look a little more seamless next to that yellow. Now I don't know how this look is going to turn out. I really have no vision in my head. I'm just kind of going for it. So it may turn out awful. It may look terrible. But with this palette, it is definitely a lot of blending and building the color, and you want to go in lightly with the color because they are so intense. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe E18. I'm going to go in with Rowdy, and I'm going to create a halo, so concentrating that on the inner corner and the outer corner. Once I have that laid down, I'm going to take that second brush and blend out those edges in the crease. That color actually doesn't look patchy once I blend it out. Like a very dark smoky eye. Was not expecting that. So then I'm going to pick up Adorn on a packing brush, picking up Adorn, and I'm going to spray that with a setting spray. I'm going to pack that all over the center of the lid. Taking that brush with a little bit of Rowdy on it, the Morphe E18, I'm just going to try to blend, if I can, lightly blend out these edges. And back in with Adorn, retouching up the center. And going in with that first brush, just trying to diffuse out those edges, and in with Rowdy just to deepen up that outer corner a little bit more. I'm just going to take a wipe and clean up all that fallout and the edges. This eye look is really intense, and I kind of had some issues with blending. So now I'm just gonna pop on some mascara and some lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so my lashes are on and they are drying right now. I'm just gonna grab a highlight shade out of my contour kit. I'm just going to clean up under my brows. Okay, so I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back to finish up the eyes. Okay guys, so I just did the rest of my makeup, so I'm gonna finish up the eyes now. Okay, so first picking up this Alamar definer brush, I'm gonna take Rowdy and I'm gonna push that right up next to the waterline. I'm only going about 2/3 of the way in with that. And then with this Curie Cosmetics smudger brush, I am gonna take Mercury and buff out those edges. And then on this little e.l.f. eye crease brush, I'm gonna take New Wave and really tap off that excess and just go right on the edges, just bringing a little bit of that yellow to the lower lash line. Now since the eyes are so dark, I'm gonna go in with the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in Silky Nude. This is my favorite for the waterline, and I am bringing that all the way to the inner corner. That really just helps open up the eyes a lot. Then I'm gonna take the highlighter that I used on my face today, which is the Milani Rose Glow Stellar Lights, and I'm gonna take this pearly shade on the Morphe M213 and pack that on the inner corner and dragging it down. I accidentally dragged it down way too much. Hold on. That was like a lot. But dragging that down just a little bit. Look how pretty that is. And then just taking a little bit right under the arch of my brow. And I'm just gonna pop on some mascara. This is the Loreal Voluminous Original Mascara. And then I'm just setting my entire face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. This is look number 8 in my 10 looks using one palette series, highlighting the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. So I had no clue where I was going with this eye look today. I actually really like how it turned out. It definitely is a little patchy with this darker color, which has happened every single time in every single one of my looks. These dark eyeshadows get patchy when you try to start blending them. But I think it looks really good once you get lashes on and everything. Usually it kind of hides those imperfections. So I think it turned out really cool. I really had no idea what I was gonna go for. I feel like I've done every look I can, but I think it actually turned out really cool. I did film a foundation wear test on this foundation I'm wearing right now, so if you want to see that, I will link it down below. If it's not up yet, it'll be coming up next. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. I will also link this playlist down below if you want to check out all the other looks I've created with this palette. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Over him, I got no rules, I count 'em.